How's it going, everyone? Cole back with you from Kelowna Chevrolet. Behind me is a real nice 2021 Kia Sorento X-Line edition. Let me show you around. So you have a 2.5 liter turbo underneath the hood with an 8-speed automatic transmission. You got these nice graphite alloy wheels, tinted windows in the back and rear, roof rails up top if you want to add on a roof rack to the back. Third row seating in the back. Pull them down like so. In the third row you have the rear AC charger output, and you can also fold down the second row seating to get out. Hold them up like so. Accident free, one previous owner on this SUV. And we are inside this 2021 Sorento. You have 36,598 kilometers currently. Here's your audio and hands-free controls. There's your cruise control settings, mirror and window controls, traction control, lane assist, and your dash brightness here. Over to the infotainment screen, you have your dual zone climate control. And in here is, you got your USB inputs, heated seats on the left and right there, gear select, cup holders. Here's your drive mode select, and to have the train, we hit the parking assist, brings up the backup camera there. And you have automatic stop start as well. If I bring you back down here, automatic stop start. There's your parking brake, parking assist, hill descent, auto hold, and your steering wheel heater. And here is your center console. And coming into the mid row here, you got the aisle to get into the back. Make things a little bit easier, you pull this lever here. You have a charger input down at the bottom there, and you also have one in the passenger front seat there. There is the third row seating. Each side gets their own charging input. Thank you guys for watching this video on the 2021 Kia Sorento X-Line edition. For more information on this SUV, feel free to reach out to us, 250-860-6000. Or you could always drop by our dealership and take this thing for a test drive. We're open Monday to Saturday, 9 to 6. Thank you guys again for watching. Have yourselves a great day. Bye for now.